Hi you guys, I'm Danielle M and this is my DIY kindness channel. Obviously right now it's kind of hard for me to go out into my community. It's hard for me to be interactive with strangers as I normally would and spread kindness and love to everybody. So I hope that even though my channel might look different while we're under quarantine and while we're going through this together with COVID-19, I hope that my channel will still bring you encouragement. That's always my goal. That's always the purpose, is to help you get ideas and to help you feel more filled and you feel happier and you feel more equipped to go throughout your day than if you hadn't. And so no matter what is going to be on here, honestly, I can't even tell you guys. I have some ideas of videos to do, but I'm totally going to have to change up what I was doing. If you guys are so kind and you have any good ideas of videos that you'd like to see me do, kindness videos, DIY videos, videos that you would like tips on or ideas on, or just some fun videos, please leave them in the comments below and let me know, because I'm definitely looking for any new ideas you guys might have right now. I'm so thankful for a community where we can connect and we can be together during this. So I was thinking about a channel and I thought a good idea would just to be give you guys some ideas of ways that you can stay connected during this time of lockdown for COVID-19. And one of those ways that I think is just a fun thing to do that's going to be encouraging for everybody in your neighborhood or where you live is just find ways that you can leave quick little notes of encouragement and love. So one of the fun ideas I have that I haven't yet tried, but I want to encourage you to do it, and maybe I'll even do it for a future video, and that is to make homemade ornaments and then leave them on your trees outside. There's lots of people who are walking right now, who are out and about, walking the streets, walking their pets because they're home and they have a lot of time on their hands, and they're probably walking and thinking and who knows what they're feeling. And so if we can leave little notes on their path, on this journey for them to see, you never know how encouraging that might be. So maybe make ornaments that have encouraging little notes on them, hang them on your tree, get creative. Think about things that you could do. This is what I did in my neighborhood. I made chalk art and I left little notes of encouragement right on the sidewalk, and it was fun for me because I always do all of my work right in here where I'm sitting right now, and I have a window right over here. So I always do my work and I look out my window and I could see, yesterday after I left that note, I could see all these people walking by, and many people who were walking by my house stopped and took pictures of the notes that I wrote. And so to me that says a lot. It says that it was encouraging, and it helps us just to have a sense of community even though we're not physically talking to each other, to let each other know that we're still there for each other and that we care for each other. And I'm just happy that I was able to do something simple and quick and make people smile. Another quick little fun idea is date nights, virtual play dates. So maybe have your kids get together with some of their friends from school, and us parents can FaceTime each other. Let our kids play Pictionary together over the phone. That would be fun. I know my kids would love that. Or just be creative, make up some games that they can do. Same with date night. You can get creative, cook dinner, have your friends cook dinner at their house, get together, have a date. Another fun idea is to start a group, whether that's a virtual book club, whether that's a prayer group, whether that's a Bible study group, whether it's a mom's group, whether it's a preppers group, you know, whatever it is. If it's something that you've been thinking about for a while, if it's something that you have a heart to do, there's no excuse not to do it right now. We all have lots of time on our hands because people are really searching right now to have that sense of camaraderie and connection. And so starting your group, whatever it is, now is the perfect time. Another idea is just to go live. Go live on Facebook, go live on Instagram, go live wherever and whenever possible, as much as possible. It's just another way for us to get connected with each other, even if you only have one person watching here and there or two or whatever. It's still a sense of connection and being able to form these groups together where we know we're not alone. Talk about what you're going through, talk about your day. If you're dealing with anxiety or stress, get it out and give opportunity for people to talk life and truth over you, to encourage you. And so just reach out if you have something funny going on, just whatever it is, make use of this time to go live and to connect with people as often as you can. And I'm also going to be trying to implement this into my own life, so make sure that you follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Instagram so you can catch those lives whenever I might do them. And I've been encouraged because a lot of people that I really respect have already started this, and it's been very encouraging. Just today I watched a live from Christine Kane, and it has been the highlight of my day. So I definitely feel like the more we're getting out there and we're being connected and we're talking to each other and we're not distancing ourselves, we are, as humans, we were made to have connection and community and relationships. It's part of our identity. It's part of who we are. So we need to maintain that in every way that we possibly can. And just going live with each other and talking to each other in real time, it's going to help us get through this. And I'm telling you, it's going to make a difference. Another idea is just to make use of social media, all of those platforms. If you don't want to go live, if that's too nerve-wracking, still make use of social media however you can to spread messages of positivity and hope and togetherness and love. Like, keep it positive. There's so many messages of negativity and just chaos, and it's gonna weigh us down. Let's be honest, we don't need any more of that weighing us down. If you have skills and gifts that you have, but you haven't been able to use them because you've been busy with life, but now you have all the time in the world, maybe you can paint. Get on and paint a picture. Be an encouragement that way. You never know, you might be the next Bob Ross. Start a YouTube channel. Honestly, now is the time. I think a lot of people make excuses about starting a YouTube channel. People who want to start a channel, a lot of times their excuses, I just don't know how, I don't have the time to do it. Well, now most of us have all the time in the world to do things like this, and it's an awesome avenue to use to connect with people. I absolutely love it. It helps me to get out and make creativity. I like feeling like I'm able to encourage people, and so this is a way that I'm able to do that. But people are sitting home, they're watching Netflix, they're watching YouTube, they don't have much else to do. So now is the perfect time for you to get started. Honestly, there's never been a better time. Another idea that I have is just write letters, text your friends, call your friends. Be intentional with the way that you're going to connect to people in these next few weeks or months, or however long we're going to be under this lockdown. Take the time to see how people are doing. Take the time to see if they need anything. A friend of mine, we were recently chatting, and I didn't even know, but her husband was out of state and he hadn't been able to get back here with her, and she has a heart condition, and so she had been advised not to go out. And here I was, one of her friends, and I didn't even know that she was stuck at home with nobody who was able to help her until she reached out to me. And so it's a good opportunity for us just to check on our friends, even if you think that they're fine. It couldn't hurt to just send them a text, send them a call, write them a letter, and check in and let them know that you're thinking about them and that you're there for them, even if it's just to say a prayer for them or encourage them on the phone. That's just such an easy and wonderful way for us to actually have this connection with each other. Another fun tip is just write the blog, start the website, write in your diary, journal what you're going through right now. All those ways for you to get your thoughts out, for you to speak to other people and connect. I think making a journal right now would be an excellent idea, because our future generations of kids are going to someday wonder what it was like for us to go through this. This is a historical time in history, and they're gonna wonder, how were we feeling? What was it like to go to the grocery store? What was it like to go to the gas station? What was the feeling inside? How did you cope with being inside for so long? Maybe you and your kids can start doing that. That's a good way to connect as well. And even being intentional with your family at home. Now is an awesome time. We're all making more dinners for our families, which is wonderful. We all have all this time together. It's important for us to connect one with another virtually, but it's also so important for us to be intentional and purposeful with the people who we're living with, to really engage and love on each other under one roof. We never know what tomorrow's gonna bring, so let's be thankful for today. Another idea is maybe now is the time to start gaming. I know my brother would love to hear me say that right now, and probably my kids too. I'm not much of a gamer, but I know it's a great way for people to connect and talk and just to have some fun together. If you haven't taken up gaming yet, maybe now is a good time to start doing that. That's about it, you guys. I wanted to keep this video short and sweet, but let me know if I missed any ideas, and let me know in the comments below what you think I should have added to this list. And out of all of those ideas, which is the one that most resonated with you? Which one do you think that you can start today? It is on my heart to stay connected with you guys. I hope it's on your heart too. So if you want to stay connected with me, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't miss any of my future videos. I'm so excited for ways that I can continue to encourage you. And together we can spread hope and kindness in this world. Bye guys!